first thing we're going to do is buy our hosting. You need someone that's going to host a WordPress website. I'm going to go with SiteGround. I'll show you that in a second. Then you have to buy your domain name. You can do that through SiteGround or you can do it through someone else. I did it through Namecheap.com. After that, you're going to transfer your domain name over to SiteGround, install WordPress, and finalize all the setup. Personally, I recommend buying hosting from SiteGround. I've compared all the different hosting platforms, and in my opinion, SiteGround wins. I'll put a link down below to the comparison video I did. So you can go to effectiveecommerce.com/SiteGround, or you can click the links up here or down below. I've got the hookup, and this is the cheapest price you'll be able to find SiteGround for. And by using this link, I will give you a free 30-minute one-on-one consulting session, just in case you have any questions on setting up WordPress. All right, so let's start the clock and let's get started. So you're gonna go to that website, click on WordPress hosting, and let's click get started. Now, honestly, you can probably just go with the startup plan. I'm gonna go with the Go Geek plan because I have a website that's gonna be having a lot of traffic and I want more than one website. So the startup is good if you only have one website, where these are both good if you want unlimited websites. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, but once again, you can always upgrade later. So to start up, just go with the startup plan. Let's go get plan. You have the choice between registering a new domain, or if you want to buy a domain from another place, you'll save some money. It's going to cost $16 to register through SiteGround, or you can say I already have a domain and register through GoDaddy or Namecheap. I'm going to put the website in that I want to have the WordPress hosting on, and then click proceed. Finally, you're going to enter in all your account information here, just like you would on any normal website. And for the period, it's up to you what you want to do. You can go with the trial. I don't recommend doing that. It's, you have to pay a setup fee. Do 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. Once again, it's really up to you how long you want to lock in that good rate for. And I don't think you need the website. The rest of the stuff is fine. Go ahead and click confirm and click pay now. Once you finish paying for SiteGround, you're going to be directed to this page. And to set it up, you'll go to My Accounts and click the Launch Setup Wizard. Now, since I already have a domain name, I'm going to click I already have a domain name and type it in. It's the Passion Product Formula. And then click Start a New Website, and you can go with WordPress. Once you finish that, you can go to My Accounts. And you're going to get your name servers. This is basically where you're going to use to point your domain name to. So I got 2 of them here. Now we're going to go over to Namecheap. And if you haven't yet, purchase your domain name at this point. I already have a domain name I purchased. Otherwise, I would just simply type in here, search for it, and check out. So I need to log in, and then I'll go to my dashboard here, and I'm going to use this domain name, the Passion Product Formula. So I'm going to click on Manage. Down here where it says Nameservers, instead of the Namecheap Basic DNS, we're going to go Custom DNS. I'm just going to copy over this information. Click this little check mark to save it. Now, it says it usually takes up to 48 hours for this to take effect, but I find that a lot of times it's a lot quicker than that. It can take up to 48 hours, but sometimes it's even a few hours or even sooner than that. Once you're done with that, you go back to the My Accounts, and you're going to go to your cPanel. So click Go to cPanel. Scroll down to the WordPress installer. Go ahead and click on that. Install, and I just go with the quick one, usually, to be honest. And choose the domain name. We're going to go with the Passion Product Formula. This will be your admin username and admin password down here. Scroll down farther, and you can click some of these if you want. I don't really deal with that often. And that's it. It's starting to install right now. So that's it. You're done. You can go over to the administrator URL just so you can set up some things before you really check it out too much. But this is the back end. You officially have a site. So let's take a look at what your site looks like. At this point, it's pretty terrible. I'm quickly going to show you how you can fix it up. And then in the next video we'll go into an even more in-depth tutorial. One of the first things you want to do is go over to Appearance and then Themes. You can select different themes. Let's try a live preview of this theme, for instance. Looks at least a little bit better. I like the 2016. I feel like that's a good one as well. So I'll just activate that just so you can see. Changes in real time. This is what I use for my effective e-commerce website, but also want to change this stuff. The My Blog, My WordPress blog, go to Settings, General, blog, we'll call it Passion Product Formula. Scroll down and click Save. And just like that, it's already taking shape. In the next video I do, I'll link down below. We'll do a complete tutorial on how to really up your WordPress game, how to really get going. And don't forget, if you are going to be creating a WordPress website, go with SiteGround. I have links up here or down below. I also have the link comparing all the different ones. So even if you do want to go with a different hosting platform, I have links to pretty much all of them, and I'm willing to give you and happy to give you that free 30-minute consultation session. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and remember to enjoy the journey.